This is a 2015 Ram 1500 single cab truck. I think it's the same from 2009 through 2020 something Ram Classics. They've got these little hooks behind the seats, great little grocery hooks, and how to remove them I couldn't find anywhere online, so I had to kind of brute force it. Well, I learned the secret to it. What you have to do is you have to poke in from the top after you pull the hook out a little bit. So they have these two positions. You pull it out, and then you have to get something pretty rigid and pretty firm and just push straight down in there. And I can't do this one-handed. You got to push down pretty hard. And while you're pushing down, it pulls forward. I'll show you the mechanism that it has on this one that I've already done. So it's got this little latch right here. And this latch goes into this little part right here. And it's pretty rigid. Like, you've got to actually push pretty hard on that. I made a mistake on the first one while I was trying to figure this out, and I actually broke that off even though I was already pushing on this. I just wasn't pushing hard enough. So make sure you push that real hard. After you've got that down, then in here is just a T25 Torx bit, and then the whole thing comes out. So hopefully that was helpful to you.